The future isn't just waiting to happen. It is actively being built today.
We are on the brink of a new era, where technology and finance collide.
Imagine carrying a computer that weighed 30 tons, filled an entire room, and had less processing power than the smartphone in your pocket. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly where modern computers began. In just a few decades, we've gone from room-sized machines to AI systems that can write code, create videos, and even hold conversations. So, how did we get here? In the next 5 minutes, you'll witness the incredible evolution of computers, from giant machines to the age of artificial intelligence. Let's decode it. The story starts long before computers existed. In early 19th century, English mathematician Charles Babbage designed a machine called the analytical engine. It was never fully built, but its design included concepts we still use today: memory, processing unit, input and output. Essentially, Babbage created the blueprint for modern computers over 150 years ago. Then, in the 1940s, the world saw one of the first electronic computers, ENIAC. It occupied an entire room, consumed enormous electricity, and required thousands of vacuum tubes to operate. Yet at that time, it was revolutionary. Computers had officially entered the world. The biggest problem with early computers? They were huge, expensive, and unreliable. Then came a breakthrough that changed everything: the transistor. Invented in 1947, transistors replaced bulky vacuum tubes. Computers suddenly became smaller, faster, more reliable, and affordable. This innovation triggered the first major computer revolution. By the 1960s, businesses and governments were increasingly relying on computers for calculations and data processing. But computers were still far from being personal devices. That was about to change. The 1970s and 1980s transformed computers forever. Microprocessors arrived. An entire computer could now fit onto a tiny chip. Soon, companies like Apple and Microsoft helped bring computers into homes. People could now write documents, play games, manage finances, and learn programming. For the first time, computers were no longer just tools for scientists and governments. They became tools for everyone. And this was only the beginning. Then came the 1990s. One invention connected computers across the globe: the Internet. Suddenly, information could travel instantly. Email replaced letters. Websites replaced encyclopedias. Online shopping replaced many traditional stores. Entire industries were transformed. Companies like Amazon and Google emerged from this digital revolution and reshaped the global economy. Computers were no longer isolated machines. They became gateways to a connected world. Then came another giant leap: smartphones. The device in your pocket today is thousands of times more powerful than the computers that helped send humans to the moon. And now we're entering the next chapter: artificial intelligence. AI can write content, generate images, analyze data, build software, and automate businesses. We're witnessing a shift as significant as the invention of the computer itself. The question is no longer, can computers help humans? It's becoming, how far can computers go? Think about this. In less than a century, computers evolved from room-sized machines to AI systems capable of learning, creating, and solving problems. And the most fascinating part? We're still at the beginning. Quantum computing. Advanced AI, brain-computer interfaces, and technologies we can't even imagine today could define the next era. The future of computing is being written right now, and those who understand technology early often benefit the most. So if you want simple explanations of AI, technology, online income opportunities, investing, and the innovations shaping our future, subscribe to Tech Money Decoded and join us as we decode the technology that will define tomorrow. See you in the next video.